Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a knight's flag. Let's start off by drawing two really long parallel lines in the flagpole. Then, cap it off with a short line like so. At the top, draw a wide oval that goes over and two lines going up that bend in. Finally, finish the pole with a pointed tip. For the flag, draw two wavy lines flying out to the right. Make sure they're pretty similar in shape. Then, draw a zipper-like shape on the end with some rectangular notches like so. Now you can decorate your flag. Start by drawing the same shape but slightly smaller inside the flag. Then, draw a thin vertical line through the middle and another wavy line going across. Lastly, shade in the upper left and bottom right panels with some thin diagonal lines. And now you got a knight's flag.